Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a widget for a website. First, let's consider the why and what. A widget is a small, interactive application embedded into web pages, enhancing user experience. Begin by clearly defining its purpose and the problem it solves for your users. Think about the core functionality, what data it will present, and how it will look. This initial planning phase is crucial for a successful and impactful widget. Now, let's dive into the development process. You'll primarily use three core web technologies. HTML provides the structure, defining elements like buttons and text areas. CSS is essential for styling, making your widget visually appealing and consistent with the host website's design. Finally, JavaScript brings your widget to life, handling all interactive elements, data fetching, and dynamic updates. Aim for clean, well-organized code. Once developed, integrating your widget into a website is straightforward. Typically, this involves embedding a small JavaScript snippet or an iframe into the host page's HTML. Offer robust customization options, allowing users to adjust colors, fonts, and even layout to match their site's branding. Crucially, ensure your widget is fully responsive, adapting seamlessly to different screen sizes, from desktop monitors to mobile phones. The final steps involve rigorous testing and deployment. Before launch, test your widget extensively across various browsers and devices to ensure flawless functionality and responsiveness. Pay close attention to performance, ensuring it loads quickly and doesn't negatively impact the host site. Deploy your widget to a stable hosting environment, and remember to continuously monitor its performance and collect user feedback for ongoing enhancements and updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.